Motorola has officially launched the Edge 60 Neo as the latest budget model from the brand's Edge 60 series. The phone comes with an IP68/IP69 rating, it weighs 174 grams and is 8.09 mm thin. With a display size of 6.4 inches, Motorola's Edge 60 Neo can be considered a relatively compact phone. It sports a POL panel with a 1.5K resolution, LTPO tech for 120Hz variable refresh rate, up to 3000 nits of peak brightness. The Edge 60 Neo is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 SoC, which is paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. The rear has a 50MP Sony LYT700C main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 10MP telephoto shooter with 3x optical zoom. You get a 32MP shooter on the front for selfies. The phone packs a 5000 mAh battery, which is an improvement over last year's model. It supports 68W wired and 15W wireless charging. It has a starting price tag of €399 for the 8GB plus 128GB model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.